The plan is simple. Come up with code project, make ChatGPT write code, and make a YouTube video. Oh, and by the way, we're doing Conway's Game of Life. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT. Step 2. Go to the previous conversation for this that I forgot to record. Step 3. Copy code. Step 4. Paste code. Step 5.
Run.
The only comment I have, except for wow, that was easy, is that ChatGPT seems to think that the input I to the animate function has any effect. It comes as a range set in Funcanimation with the keyword argument frames, but when we display it with PyPlotShow, Game of Life continues indefinitely. Thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.